Welcome to our channel, where you can get the most recent information on technology. In this video, we'll talk about how smart technology is transforming the construction sector. A crucial sector of any nation's economy, construction plays a key role. Traditional techniques of building, however, can be expensive, ineffective, and slow. Thankfully, the building is evolving due to the development of smart technology. The construction, design, and use of structures are being revolutionized by smart technology. In this video, we'll look at how smart technology is transforming the construction sector. Smart technology is disrupting the building sector by altering how we develop and use structures. Here is a closer look at how smart technology is changing the construction sector. 4. Smart design. Engineers and architects are now able to produce cost-effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly designs thanks to smart technology. Engineers and architects may create buildings that are adapted to the demands of the tenants, maximize energy efficiency, and reduce waste with the aid of cutting-edge software. Building information modeling (BIM) is one instance of the smart technology that is transforming how engineers and architects design structures. BIM enables designers, including architects and engineers, to produce digital representations of buildings that include comprehensive data on every component, from materials to energy consumption. With the building's design optimized for sustainability and efficiency, architects and engineers can make well-informed judgments. Parametric design is another illustration of clever design. Using algorithms, parametric design generates design possibilities depending on particular factors. This enables designers to produce plans that are economical, efficient in terms of energy use, and more. Buildings that are more effective, environmentally, and economical are being made possible by smart design. 3. Smart materials. Smart materials are being created that are more resilient, lightweight, and robust than conventional building materials. Smart materials may self-heal, adjust to changing environmental circumstances, and even produce energy. Buildings that are more durable, long-lasting, and economical are being made with the help of these materials. Self-healing concrete is one instance of a smart substance. Concrete that heals itself has microorganisms in it that may patch up cracks, saving money on costly repairs. Shape memory alloy SMA is another illustration of a smart material that may be utilized to build structures that can adjust to alterations in environmental factors like wind and temperature. More energy-efficient buildings are also being constructed using smart materials. Smart materials that can be utilized to control the temperature in structures include phase change materials (PCM). Heating and cooling systems are not as necessary thanks to PCM's ability to store heat during the day and release it at night. 2. Smart equipment. To increase productivity, efficiency, and safety on building sites, smart equipment is being deployed. To scan and inspect construction sites, for instance, drones are employed, which eliminates the need for employees to do risky activities. Robots and automation are being used to eliminate the need for manual labor, boost production, and enhance safety. Wearable technology is another illustration of smart equipment. Wearables are gadgets that construction site employees can wear to check their health and safety. These gadgets may monitor vital signs including heart rate, body temperature, and exposure to dangerous substances, which lowers the likelihood of accidents and injuries. To make building sites more productive, smart equipment is also being deployed. To reduce the need for human labor and boost production, autonomous cars and machines, for instance, can be utilized to move materials and carry out duties on building sites. 1. Smart building. Energy efficiency, waste reduction, and occupant enjoyment are all goals of the design of smart buildings. Sensors used in smart buildings track occupants and ambient factors to monitor and regulate lighting, temperature, and ventilation. A more integrated and effective building system is produced by smart buildings' ability to interface with other smart equipment. Using building energy management systems is another instance of smart building technology, BEMS. BEMS can be used to track and manage energy use in buildings, maximizing energy efficiency and minimizing waste. Building owners and operators may make educated decisions regarding energy usage and expenses by using real-time data on energy usage provided by BEMS. The construction sector is being completely transformed by smart technologies. Smart technology is changing how we construct, design, and use buildings from conception to completion. Construction is becoming a more cost-effective, efficient, and sustainable sector of the economy thanks to smart technologies. We hope you learned something new and had fun watching this video. If so, thank you for watching, And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on the most recent developments in technology. Thank you for watching.